Which word means to return an item and get another? Is it A, checkout, B, faulty, C, exchange, or D, delivery?
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Let's talk shopping. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to learn useful English words and expressions about shopping. Get ready to fill your cart with vocabulary. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Refund is money you get back after returning a product. 2. Exchange means giving back one item to get another. 3. Fitting room is a place where you try on clothes in a store. 4. A loyalty card is a card that gives you rewards when you shop. 5. A shopping mall is a large building filled with many stores. 6. Customer service means help and support offered to customers. 7. A label is a tag that shows details about a product. 8. Out of stock means the item is not available right now. 9. Browse means to look around without planning to buy. 10. Complaint is a statement when you are unhappy with a service. 11. A product is something made and sold in a store. 12. Aisle is a walkway between shelves in a store. 13. Bargain means a good deal or cheap price. 14. Wholesale is buying in large amounts at lower prices. 15. Retail means selling products directly to customers. 16. A limited time offer is a special deal for a short time. 17. Faulty means not working correctly or broken. 18. Guarantee a promise that a product will work well. 19. Return policy is the rule about sending things back to the store. 20. Delivery means bringing products to your home. 21. Packaging is the box or wrapper that holds a product. 22. Stock is all the items a store has for sale. 23. Order online means to buy something from the internet. 24. Membership is being part of a store's group or program. 25. The cashier's desk is the counter where you go to pay. 26. Window shopping means looking at items without buying. 27. Overcharge means asking for too much money. 28. A refund request is asking to get money back. 29. Clearance sale is a big discount to sell all stock. 30. Cash on delivery means paying when the item arrives.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
1. You go to a website and click Buy Now to get shoes sent to your home. What did you do?
Correct answer is order online.
2. You returned a faulty blender and the store gave your money back. What did you get?
Correct answer is refund.
3. Which word means a large building with many stores?
Correct answer is shopping mall.
4. Which word means buying in large amounts at lower prices.
Correct answer is wholesale.
5. Your order was wrong, so you fill out a form to get your money back. What is this called?
Correct answer is refund request.
6. Which word means a tag with information on a product?
Correct answer is label.
7. You collect points every time you shop and later get rewards. What do you use?
Correct answer is loyalty card.
8. You speak to customer service because your order was wrong. What are you making?
Correct answer is complaint.
9. You buy something for a much cheaper price than usual. What is that called?
Correct answer is bargain.
10. The store is closing, so everything is being sold at very low prices. What kind of sale is this?
Correct answer is clearance sale.
11. You join a special program that gives you exclusive access to offers. What do you have?
Correct answer is membership.
12. You see you were billed $100 for a $70 item. What happened?
Correct answer is overcharge.
13. You go to a store to buy a product directly. What type of business is this?
Correct answer is retail.
14. Which word means help provided to customers?
Correct answer is customer service.
15. Which word means not working properly or broken?
Correct answer is faulty.
16. You don't pay online, but instead give the money when your order arrives. What is this payment method called?
Correct answer is cash on delivery.
17. The phone comes with a promise that it will work for at least 1 year. What is this promise called?
Correct answer is guarantee.
18. You want to know if you can bring something back after buying it. What do you check?
Correct answer is return policy.
19. Which word means a special deal for a short time?
correct answer is limited time offer.
20. You ask if the item is available in the store. What are you asking about?
Correct answer is stock.
21. Before buying a dress, you go to a small space in the store to see if it fits. What is that place called?
Correct answer is fitting room.
22. Which word means the counter where you pay?
Correct answer is cashier's desk.
23. Which word means not available for purchase?
Correct answer is out of stock.
24. In the supermarket, you walk between shelves to find your items. What is this space called?
Correct answer is aisle.
25. Which word means to return an item and get another?
Correct answer is exchange.
26. You ordered something online and it arrived at your home. What is this service called?
Correct answer is delivery.
27. Which word means to look around in a store without buying?
Correct answer is browse.
28. You are buying something made for sale, like a phone or toy. What is this item?
Correct answer is product.
29. You walk around the mall looking at things without buying. What is this called?
Correct answer is window shopping.
30. The product arrived damaged because the box was weak. What part had the problem?
Correct answer is packaging. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Hi, I bought this coffee machine last week, but it's faulty. It doesn't start.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I do. I'd like to request a refund or at least an exchange if possible.
Sure, let me check the return policy. You're within the 14 days, so both a refund and an exchange is possible.
Perfect. Honestly, I'd prefer a refund.
No problem. May I ask if you bought it online or from this store?
I ordered it online and chose cash on delivery.
Okay, then the refund will be processed through our online system. Please fill out this refund request form.
All right. While I'm here, I'd like to browse around a bit. Do you have any good deals today?
Yes, we're having a clearance sale in aisle 5. Some products are available at wholesale prices.
Sounds great. I'm just doing some window shopping today, but maybe I'll find a bargain.
If you do, let me know. Also, if you join our membership program, you'll receive extra discounts.
Interesting. Is it the same as the loyalty card I have?
They're connected. Your loyalty card points are tracked through your membership.
Nice. I was at another shopping mall last week and they overcharged me for a blender.
Oh no! Did you file a complaint?
Yes, but their customer service was terrible. No one responded.
We take all complaints seriously here, and we guarantee quality service.
I appreciate that. I also love how organized everything is. The labels and barcodes are easy to find.
Thank you. We train our staff regularly to keep everything well-stocked and properly labeled.
This all sounds very professional. Where's the cashier's desk, by the way?
Just past aisle 3, near the electronics. You'll also find fitting rooms if you're interested in clothing.
Thanks. I'll check it out. And again, thanks for your help with the refund.
You're very welcome. Feel free to browse or ask if you need anything else.
Will do. Have a great day.
You too! Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon!